Hi everybody, welcome to 11 Walker Lane, Coventry. Beautiful raised ranch in the exclusive Walker Farm neighborhood. Let me bring you inside for a tour. Front hallway leads up into the living room. Dining room. And a quick pass into the kitchen with my associate from HomeSmart, Anne-Marie Link. Hallway that leads into the second bathroom. Full bath. In shower. The main bedroom with its own large full bathroom. Plenty of closet space. Second bedroom here. And the third bedroom, all on the upper level. Downstairs to the first level. Leads into a large family room, or for whatever purposes you want to use. This was used by the seller as an office. He's done plenty here. Leading into the, this is the mechanical room slash laundry room and gym. There it is. Appliances are included in this deal. The racks are staying without the clothes. And leading out into the garage, which has also been upgraded. The drywall and the shelving is all, the owner had upgraded that, and the concrete floor has been sealed and leads right on out. From the lower level, we can get up to the backyard by these stairs here, access point. Leads to the side of the house. Went out to the backyard. The shed back here actually has electrical power. And the backyard has a concrete patio deck as well. The lot is 100 feet by 200 feet deep. So there's 100 feet of frontage. And this is the backyard here that abuts acres of woods that are undeveloped and cannot be built upon, so you will have privacy. Here's the back deck. And around the house, this concrete slab was also added. Goes around the perimeter. There's the septic access. Septic system is in great shape. And this goes out to the front yard. There's that 100 feet of frontage with beautiful landscaping capabilities here. All this is yours to be planted and upgraded. That's it. That concludes our tour for 11 Walker Lane here in Coventry. If you're interested, contact me, Brian Chase at HomeSmart Professionals Real Estate.